To start or stop SQL Server VSS Breather service in Windows 10 Home, right-click on Start menu icon and then click on Top Computer Management. Next, click on Top Services and Applications drop-down menu. Select Services and then scroll down Services screen. Find SQL Server VSS Breather and then right-click on SQL Server VSS Breather. To start, select Start, or to stop, select Stop. Provide us the interface to backup, restore Microsoft SQL Server through the Windows VSS infrastructure. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.